Blessed day, everyone, all my valued viewers. Um, Today I'm going to show you the fan that I made, an electric fan that I made. It's a backward curved centrifugal fan, very simple. Basically, it consists of a power supply, 240 volt to 12 volt DC transformer that I bought online at a very low price. So we just plug that in to the power supply. And then so you've got the power supply giving 12 volt DC to the speed controller. It's a pulse width modulator. So 12 volt DC comes in and a variable DC voltage goes out to the little motor. So I've actually used the drive mechanism from an old remote control helicopter that I had sitting around for many years. So most of these are from recycled materials. The only parts I bought were the speed controller or pulse width modulator, the replacement motor, the little motor, because the old motor burnt out and again cost next to nothing, and the power supply. The fan casing is made of a like a canned food, sardine can or ikan bilis can. I emptied out. I cut the lid off, the cover off, and the impeller I actually made out of. Just one moment. Impeller was made out of the cap from a spray can, the plastic cap from a spray can. I actually have a picture, a separate photo showing the impeller on its own. Basically, I cut the spray can with a blade. The idea was I didn't want to do any welding or soldering because I have a little soldering iron, but I don't have, couldn't be bothered to go and buy the solder. So I thought I'll do it as an easier way, because I've seen on YouTube how they made from metal. So I made mine out of plastic. It's lighter and I believe easier to work with for people, DIYers who don't have many tools. All right. So that was made. So that's the impeller is inside. Okay, so the spindle actually came with the helicopter mechanism. So don't throw away all the toy helicopters. I just left all the servo motors there. Okay, I secured that onto a piece of wood. These are all these are pine wood. Pieces of pine wood I knocked together with screws. Very easy, very simple contraption. That's just a PVC pipe. So I've just used a Tarzan grip kind of glue to seal this. You gotta put the hole. So make sure the impeller turns this way, clockwise, looking at this way. All right, basically throwing the air towards the outlet there. So air gets sucked in there, and then the impeller spins because of the motor. So air gets thrown out there. So that's just a PVC pipe. All right, probably I don't know, 3/4 inch PVC pipe. And this basically the frame, very simple wooden frame that I knocked up, just sawing, no welding and so on. All right, knocked together, but you got to, take some measurements. So the idea is you can put this to a barbecue flame to provide oxygen to the fuel system. All right. So yeah, you could actually buy the fan very cheaply online, but I couldn't wait because I wanted one instantly. So I decided to make it myself. All right, and of course, there's the challenge of it as well. You get a lot of fun from making something yourself. So I would turn on the power. See, all right. So I've turned that on, so you can hear the fan. You can see it spinning. You can hear it running. So I can increase the speed. It's very important to get the balance right, as in, all these have to be carefully assembled to reduce friction in the fan. Otherwise, the motor will stall and it will burn out. So I'll just do a quick demonstration of the blowing capability of the fan. I just move that back. So at the moment, it's off. So I just turn it on. Okay, it's still at low speed. I just have to move the camera a bit. I don't want you to see my big belly. Alright, I'll turn on so it's basically low speed now, very off now. See? High speed. You can see the effect of it on the fan. So not bad. So you can just imagine that the flame will be roaring. The barbecue flame will be roaring, or whatever, any fire that you light up. Superb. Off. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much.